In this video, we will tell you some secret money habits to get rich quickly. So now let's start. 1. Spend less and save more. First, pay yourself. This is the fundamental guideline for managing personal money. Before planning for anything else, set aside a certain amount of your monthly income in your savings account as soon as you get it. You save first, as opposed to saving the money that is left over after meeting all of your monthly commitments, such as paying your bills, buying food, and paying your insurance. Saving becomes a need in this way. Paying yourself first helps you to prioritize your financial future and exercise discipline in managing your resources, making it one of the most crucial financial habits to develop. When you shop after you've saved, be sure you're receiving the greatest prices. 2. Establish financial objectives. T. Harv Eker stated in his book Secrets of the Millionaire Mind that the number one reason most people don't get what they want is that they don't know what they want. Setting financial objectives for yourself, both short-term and long-term, is the first thing you should do because building money is a slow process. Make a financial strategy that will assist you in achieving your objectives after you are clear on what you desire. Though you must be reasonable when making goals, don't be scared to push yourself. For getting more contents related to finances, do subscribe our channel. 3. Gratification. People are more likely to make impulsive purchases now that practically everything can be purchased online. Even if the things don't cost that much, if you make multiple sudden expenditures in a month, the spending may build up and consume a sizable portion of your income. That is cash that could have been used for debt repayment, investments, or savings. If you want to safeguard your financial future, you'll need to learn how to say no to yourself. For all purchases and non-essential expenses, I like to utilize a spending account. I give myself a monthly stipend and deposit the money into my aspiration account. As a result, there is never an opportunity for overspending because, once the funds in that account are depleted, I can't add more until the next month. 4. Avoid debt. One of the most expensive mistakes you can do is to carry a lot of debt. While certain forms of debt might improve your financial status, the majority of loans, especially strong interest credit card debt, will simply prevent you from saving money for your financial objectives. John was a buddy of mine who often used his credit card to make purchases. However, he discovered that he was in debt trap towards the conclusion of the third month. It took him about a year to pay off all of his credit card debt. That's why I constantly advise against using a credit card and to start paying with cash instead. If you still have a lot of debts to pay off, such as school loans, mortgages, and auto loans, create a repayment plan for them and develop responsible spending practices to get rid of them as soon as you can. You may invest more money into increasing your net worth if you have fewer financial obligations. All these tips are fine, but the tip number 9 is my most favorite. However, let's move on to the next. 5. Spend less and live well. We're mentioning this one even though it should go without saying because many individuals continue to fall into this trap. Although there is nothing wrong with treating yourself, if you are careless with your money, regardless of how much you make, you might still find yourself in financial trouble. Because they never spend more than they earn, successful individuals maintain their fortune. You'll get started on your own path to prosperity faster if you form this habit early on. It's important for you to realize that purchasing a new vehicle or bike will not make you happy. You should be content with living frugally instead. 6. Aim for a variety of income sources. You must find strategies to increase your income if you want your personal wealth to grow more quickly. Numerous opportunities exist for supplemental income. You have two options for earning extra money: either work a part-time job or invest in stocks, real estate, or a company to get passive income. Using an app like Decluttr to sell electronics, CDs, and books you don't need or desire is a fast way to get cash. You should still search for and consider additional sources of income even if you have a well-paying work. And nowadays the most advantageous thing is this social media and online world. Here you can easily start earning money without any investments or effort. All you have to do is to learn. 7. Invest in the future immediately. In a few years, your money will be worth much less due to inflation if you let it remain idle in your bank account. You must invest your money in order to see growth. And using your retirement plan is one of the greatest ways to start. The last thing on your mind may be retirement if you're still young, in your 20s or early 30s. The greatest time to make plans and start saving for your retirement, however, is right now. Increase the amount you contribute to your Roth IRA and/or 401k. The more time you let these funds to develop, the more money you'll have when you're ready to access it. 8. Invest in yourself. The most crucial thing you'll need to invest in is yourself if you're serious about cultivating and growing a wealthy mentality. The majority of wealthy individuals learned new things and made investments in themselves to get where they are now. Find things that will stimulate your intellect rather than wasting hours in front of the TV or browsing through social media. Additional book reading is recommended. Become more skilled. Your ability to manage your finances will improve regardless of how you educate yourself. 9. Analyze your errors and improve. The most important adaptation you can make is to start learning from your prior errors. Let's assume, for illustration purposes, that in the past you bought an automobile. It's obvious that your car's worth dropped by half after a few years. Because your automobile is a depreciating asset, this is the case. You may thus learn from this to refrain from investing in assets that would depreciate. You might adopt the behavior of taking in knowledge from others. Your ability to learn from your errors will help you create riches more quickly and lead to a rich and fortunate life overall. As a result of forming this habit early in life, the majority of billionaires succeed financially quickly. That's all for today. Hope you learned something new from this video. If you want regular updates related to personal financing, then do subscribe our channel and also hit the like button if you found this video helpful. One like and subscribe motivates us to make more videos related to finance. If you have any query or suggestion, then don't hesitate to comment it below. Once again, thanks for watching.